Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making roasted glazed carrots. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of carrots. I'm using the baby carrots already cut and peeled. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 stick of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, that's optional, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, salt and pepper as needed. Okay guys, as you can see, I measured out all my ingredients. The 3 garlic cloves, you want to mince them. And also my baby carrots, all I did was cut them into half. Okay guys, next we're going to get a pot and over medium-low flame we're going to add our unsalted butter. And I'm just going to go ahead and move it around until it melts. Once your butter has melted, we're just going to add in our light brown sugar. What I'm going to do is go ahead and mix that around. I'm just going to lower our heat just a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our rosemary, our thyme, our olive oil, our cinnamon. I'm adding just a little bit of salt. I don't want to add too much. And also some black pepper. And next I'm just going to mix until it's well combined. Okay guys, at this time you want to set your oven to 400 degrees. All I did was add my carrots into a large bowl. I added the sauce. I mixed it thoroughly. Now my minced garlic and my red pepper flakes and my parsley flakes I'm saving until the end. We're going to be baking our carrots for 20 minutes. So at the 15-minute mark, you want to add your red pepper flakes and your minced garlic. Also, once you reach 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and just turn your carrots over. So the next thing we're going to do is get a cookie sheet and place our carrots onto it. Okay guys, I have my cookie sheet. All I did was spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. And next we're going to add our carrots on. Okay guys, once you have your carrots onto your cookie sheet, they're ready to go into the oven. Remember, we're baking them for 20 minutes. We're going to flip them after 10 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, we're going to add our garlic and our red pepper flakes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. I flipped my carrots over. They're cooking up nicely. Okay guys, we've reached the 15 minutes. I've added my minced garlic and my crushed red peppers in. That is crushed red pepper flakes. As you can see, all I did was toss it through there and mix up the carrots real good. So I'm about to put it back in the oven for the last 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes. Look how beautiful they came out. I'm about to put them on a plate so you can see how they look plated. They smell delicious and they're nice and tender. Okay guys, so here are our roasted glazed carrots. And if you want, just for garnish, you can either use fresh parsley. I didn't have any, so I'm going to use some dry parsley flakes. And just sprinkle it across the top, just to make it look pretty. Guys, these are great as a side dish for any holiday. Easter is coming up, and they'll look perfect on your table with the rest of your food. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.